What's up guys? So the last 1 month I'm trying to get 300 plus bulker and shooter health, and I am almost successful in this. I already have 300 plus shooter health and I almost have 300 plus bulker health. And the main reason why I was able to achieve this was through emblems. I tried a lot of different combination when it's come to my emblems, and after trying all of them I have found a perfect setup for your emblems in your equipment. And I see a lot of players are doing completely wrong. I will not say that I'm the first one to use this combination. I've seen some players using this, but I think in my eyes this is the best combination for emblems for your equipment. When it's come to emblems, I have seen that a lot of players are going to prioritize their attack emblems before any other emblems. They will try to put attack emblems as much as possible in their equipment, so they will have maximum shooter attack, biker attack or bulker attack. That will be their first priority. But in my eyes, I think that's completely wrong way to go. Even though your attack will be very higher and you might look very strong, but you will be not strong in reality. So what experiment I did was that I removed all emblems from my equipment and I just prioritized only having attack and defense emblems in my equipment. So I have attack emblems for bulker and shooter and defense emblems for bulker and shooter. So that was my main priority, and with this I was able to get above 1200 plus shooter attack. And I go in real estate event and I attack some players, and then I removed those emblems once again, and then I prioritize only having health and defense emblems in my equipment. I was barely having 1000 plus shooter attack, but my health and defense was on point, and I was able to win from those players that I was not able to win when I have 1200% shooter attack. So there are many ways from which you can increase your attack and defense. So your first priority should be having health emblems in your equipment. And once you're done with health, you have all the health emblems in your equipment, then you can go for defense. Attack should be your last priority. If you don't have any health or defense emblem, then you can put attack emblems. But if you have them, I will recommend you to use health and defense emblems in your equipment first. And that's what I'm doing, and I'm getting great results from this. You can see this battle report in front of your screen, and this is the perfect example of a very well balanced player. Well, I will not say he's balanced. I think that his health is overpowering everything else. But still guys, this guy is having 400 plus % bulker health with 700 something attack. And this kind of health you will see in a player that have 1300 plus biker or shooter attack. So he's having a health of a 1.3k plus stats player, but he don't have attack like that, but still he's doing very well. So I think instead of having 1300 plus % stats with 250 something health, this kind of stats will be a lot better. This might not make you look strong in the first view, but you will be definitely stronger than a lot of those 1.3k stats players. So that is going to be my opinion and suggestion to all of you guys. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care, stay safe, peace.